trade. It's all about individual movers and shakers, so let's kickstart the show by flagging all of those names out. Today we have with us on the technicals Nagraj Shetti of HDFC Securities and Ashish Kyal of Wave Strategy Advisors, and we are also joined by Varun and Soumya from our research team. Let's kick. Nagraj, speaking about big losers, ONGC continues to fall today as well in trade. You recommend avoiding this stock right now?
Yes, if you look at the chart, the daily, weekly chart, the ONGC has been a continuous downtrend over the last many weeks. And even if you count record session count, technically the whole setup is looking weak. And better to avoid this stock now. This stock could come down to 105 levels in the next 1 month.
Okay, so best. Nagraj, can't get a rise of course, the metal stocks. Vedanta now is in fact at 135. It's another 3.5% of a fall. Would you recommend traders, could execute a trade over here?
Yeah, Vedanta technically is looking weak. Consistently, this stock has been in a downtrend over the last many months. The whole intermediate term trend is weak. Whenever this stock witnessed the upside bounce, the immediate selling pressure came in, and this is what exactly is happening over here. This is a good stock. Overall chart pattern is looking weak. One may look to sell this stock, go short in the future, probably September future, and around 135, 138 levels for the target of around 122 in the next 1 month, and probably place a stop loss of 145 levels.
Nagraj, of course, the realty index today is a big sectoral loser. Within that space, IB Realty, it's interesting to note you actually have a buy on dips. So what makes you believe that, there could be potential for an uptick from here?
Yeah, the larger time frame chart suggests that it indicates that this whole stock was moving in a larger consolidation pattern. Even though it has made an attempt to move up recently and in previous also was not able to succeed. The whole chart system says that there is a possibility of some decline down to around 60 to 55 levels, where one may expect support to emerge, buying to emerge from those levels. One may look to buy on dips around those 55 to 60 levels and wait for the upside target of around 10% from the dips in the next 1 to 1.5 months.
Yeah, Nagraj, Ashok Leyland is now sub 65 rupees. This is certainly, again, a multi-year low. What do you recommend traders could do?
Yeah, Ashok Leyland has been in a sharp downtrend in line with this whole letter fact. And currently the stock has been moving in a consolidation and currently placed at the downside breakout. This is a good interesting pattern to go for a short. I would suggest one to go for a short positions at current market of around 60 to 62 and target would be around 53, and one can place a stop loss around 65 even in the next 1 month.
But on that note, we are out of time. So Nagraj as well as Ashish, thank you for sharing your technical strategies. Varun, Soumya, to you as well. But before we let you go, folks, we'd once again like to thank all our viewers because it's yet another week that ET Now has emerged as India's #1 business news channel with a share of 49%. So thank you, folks, for tuning into ET Now, and I hope you'll continue to place your trust on the channel.